Good day. I am Mr. Ereneo R. Castro Jr., your teacher for this day. Quarter 3, Week 3, Day 2 gives the translation of real-life verbal expressions into letters and symbols. Are you ready for our lesson today? Before that, let's have a review. Identify whether expressions or equations. 1. 4x plus 2y is equal to 20. Very good. It is an equation. Number 2. 6x plus 4y. Great job. It is an expression. Number 3. 2 plus 8x. Very good. It is an expression. 4. X plus 2 is equal to 4. Well done. It is an equation. 5. 4y plus 2n. Job well done. It is an expression. Remember that numerical expressions is a mathematical sentence with a minimum of 2 numbers and at least one math operation. The mathematical operations can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols. Let us identify the keywords, phrases, and symbols that we are going to encounter in this lesson. For our first operation symbol, we have addition. Keywords or phrases that represent additions are addition, plus, the sum of, more than, added to, increased by, and the total of. For examples, in word phrases, m plus 3, the sum of m and 3, m increased by 3, 3 added to m, 3 more than m. These word phrases are the same when we transform it into algebraic expressions. We get m plus 3. Our second operation symbol, we have subtraction. The keywords or phrases that represent subtractions are subtraction, minus, the difference of, less than, decreased by, diminished by, subtracted from, and less. For examples, in word phrases, n minus 11, the difference of n and 11, n decreased by 11, n diminished by 11, 11 less than n less 11, 11 subtracted from n. In algebraic expression, we came up with n minus 11. For our third operation, we have multiplication. The phrases or the words that represent multiplications are multiplication, times, the product of, twice, thrice, multiplied by, of. For examples, in keywords or phrases, 2 times W, twice of W, W multiplied by 2, the double of 2, the product of 2 and W. In algebraic expression, we came up with 2 times W. For our fourth and last operation symbol, we have division. The keywords and phrases that represent the divisions are division, divided by, the quotient of, the ratio of. Examples in word or phrases: x divided by 5, 1/5 of x, the quotient of x and 5, the ratio of x and 5. If we transform these phrases into algebraic expression, we will get x divided by 5. Translate the following phrases into algebraic expression. Number 1, 5 more than twice a number. First, let A be a number. Second, let's translate each phrases. For example, twice a number means to multiply the number by 2, which translate 2 to A. Then, 5 more than means to add 5 to what follows. Give us plus 5. Our final answer is 2A plus 5. Number 2, the sum of a number and 12 divided by 6. First, let B be a number. And then, let's translate the sum of a number and 12, which is B plus 12. Then, divided by 6 in symbol becomes this. Lastly, combine the two expressions. We will get quantity B plus 12 divided by 6. For number 3 and 4, I will give you 30 seconds to answer. For number 3, 30 less than half a number. Timer starts now. Did you get 1/2 n minus 30? Very good. For the guide, in the number 3 item, 30 less than a half a number. Let n be a number. Then, half a number means 1/2 of n. 30 less than means to less 30 to what follows. So our final answer is 1/2 n minus 30. For number 4, 2 times the sum of Coco and JJ's age. Timer starts now. Is your answer 2 times the quantity k plus j? Very good. For number 4, 2 times the sum of Coco and JJ's age. Let K be Coco's age. Let J be JJ's age. Then, the sum of Coco and JJ's age is K plus J. 2 times means this. And then combine the two expressions and we got 2 times the quantity K plus J. In today's lesson, you need to remember the keywords, phrases, or symbols that represent the operation. These are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Good day. I am Mr. Ereneo R. Castro Jr., your teacher for this day. Quarter 3, Week 3, Day 3 gives the translation of letters or symbols into real-life verbal expression. If you can still remember our topic yesterday, I'll give you 2 examples. Let's answer it for 30 seconds. For number 1, thrice the difference of S and T. Time starts now. Did you get 3 times the quantity S minus T? Very good. Number 2, the product of 5 and a number. Let X be a number. Time starts now. For number 2, did you get 5 times X? Well done! In this lesson, you still need to know the keywords or phrases that represents a certain operation. These are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Let's translate these algebraic expressions into word phrases. 5x plus 2y. This can be stated as the product of 2 and y added to the product of 5 and x. The sum of 5 times x and 2 times y. 5 times x increased by twice y. Twice y more than 5 times x. All of these mathematical statements can be translated into 5x plus 2y. X over y minus 2z. This can be stated as the quotient of x and y decreased by twice z. X divided by y less twice z. Twice z less than the quotient of x and y. The difference between the quotient of x and y and twice z. Now, try number 3 and 4. You can pause the video in each number. The given for number 3 is this. The given for number 4 is this. This can be stated as x minus thrice y. Thrice y subtracted from x. 3 times y less than x. X diminished by thrice y. Let your teacher know about your answer if you have a different one. This can be stated as negative 3 times to the sum of m and n. The sum of m and n multiplied by the negative 3. The product of negative 3 and the sum of n and m. Let your teacher know about your answer if you have a different one. Keep in mind the different keywords, phrases, and symbols on a certain operation. For our first operation symbol, we have addition. Keywords or phrases that represent additions are addition, plus, the sum of, more than, added to, increased by, and the total of. Our second operation symbol, we have subtraction. The keywords or phrases that represent subtractions are subtraction, minus, the difference of, less than, decreased by, diminished by, subtracted from, and less. For our third operation, we have multiplication. The phrases or the words that represent multiplications are multiplication, times, the product of, twice, thrice, multiplied by, of. For our fourth and last operation symbol, we have division. The keywords and phrases that represent the divisions are division, divided by, the quotient of, the ratio of. And that ends our lesson for today. Did you understand it very well? If not, you may replay this video. If today's lesson is very clear to you, you may answer the exercises in your module. Keep safe, everyone.